I think one of the biggest things is the rallying point of the entire company behind a single vernacular, if you will, a single lens to the customer, a way that we've all rallied around how we talk to our customers. So that kind of singular, very consistent approach, not just in our go-to-market strategy, but across the organization, has been critical. The elevation of the confidence of our selling team when they get into a competitive opportunity, knowing that we can differentiate ourselves, has been huge. We've seen it help us shorten sales cycles. Now, again, with COVID, we probably don't have as many new opportunities as we would in normal course. But when we do get into an opportunity, we've seen it help with acceleration and expansion of deal size by not having to give concessions that maybe in the past we normally would have given. So I think those are some of the biggest value points that we've gotten from the rollout of Force.